Welcome back to Arco Storage. Today we're diving into something we all need, a well-organized home office desk. Because let's be honest, a messy desk can turn even the most productive day into chaos. But don't worry, I've got 3 simple tips that'll have your desk looking sharp and your productivity on point. Let's jump right in. First up, the one-touch rule. What's that? It's simple. When you pick something up, decide right then and there what to do with it. File it, trash it, or store it away. Don't just move it to another spot on the desk. This one habit will stop those piles of papers from taking over. Next, let's talk about zones. Your desk should have distinct areas for different tasks. Think of it like organizing your fridge. Have a spot for your computer, one for paperwork, and another for office supplies. This way, everything has its place, and you're not hunting for a pen when inspiration strikes. Finally, the keep it minimal rule. Less is more, folks. Only keep the essentials on your desk. If you haven't used it in a week, it probably doesn't need to be there. A clutter-free desk means a clutter-free mind. Now, you'll have space for what really matters, like that giant coffee mug we all know is essential. Need more space to stash your stuff? Check out arcostorage.com for safe and secure self-storage solutions. Because sometimes even the best organized desk needs a little backup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your own desk organization tips. See you next time.